Hi friends, if you're watching this as the replay, comment replay. Hi, Christina Steinbrück. I just got my SFR HOME Kit in the mail, which I'm excited to open. It's just the registration kit. And if any of you are watching this and you're not a Scentsy consultant, SFR stands for Scentsy Family Reunion, which, as y'all know, the world's a little weird right now. So we had to cancel our in-person reunion and we're having a digital one. And so they sent us all of our, like, our dad sneezes the worst, like loudest ever. Google it, it's facts. Ha. He sneezed and distracted me. Okay. So I got my kit, but they usually send kits like this for when we have real reunions. So I thought it was really cool that they're still sending us one. And it even says SFR at home. And I don't know if anyone's mentioned how cool this box feels yet, but it's got like the coolest texture ever. So when you get it, any of you who appreciate different textured papers, you're going to appreciate it. Which a lot of people think is weird, but it's not. So yes, SFR at home, Scentsy. There we are. Ignore the fact that I used a knife to open the first box. We're going to open and see. Okay, so this is how it opens. And there's little 3D glasses on tap. Let's see here. Oh, so I have to use them to read them. I'm trying to see if I know anybody first. I think I probably do. I'm gonna notice it when it's brighter out. Is this as bright as this one goes? You turned your light off and it made it hard to see. Okay, that's as bright as I can get it. Nope, I don't recognize anybody. Okay, I'm gonna put the little glasses on so that I can read what it says. They got the stickies on them. Sticky. Okay. This is gonna be really pretty. Watch how cute I am. You guys ready for how cute I am? Oh my gosh, that made everything in my life look really weird. Okay. I mean, this is a good look for me. I don't know about you. Okay, everything looks really weird though right now. Okay, so I can read this now. Question. Are some of those supposed to be English? I can't tell. I haven't watched many other people's videos, but one of these is in English. And it says, in our lives, trials are not an unnecessary burden. They are a purposeful part of a productive life. My guess is that they put a lot of the different languages since we're streaming in all languages. And if that's the case, those of you who understand what the other ones say, will you tell me what they say? Because they're different than what I just read. Because some of them are Heidi quotes and some are Orville quotes. So, if you can read that, I can read the Spanish one a little bit. I think the Spanish one says something like, something about different in a life for others, making a difference in the lives of others, something, right? There you go. Something like that. You're welcome. That's my really good Spanish. So, if I'm even remotely close, you let me know. Whew. That was rough. Okay. But yes, I'm curious to hear what the rest of them say. So, if you know any of those other languages, tell me. Ooh, what are these? Confetti. Well, that's cute. There's a big thing of confetti in here. Because the best part of Scentsy reunion is confetti. So we get to throw the confetti in the air. That's exciting. The lanyard. Hi, Tiffany Kessens. Tiffany Kessens is going to come spend SFR virtual with me at my house, which I'm pretty excited about. So here's our lanyards. It's cute. It says SFR at home. Okay, what else do we have here? Oh my gosh. I wasn't sad that we weren't doing it in person. I mean, I was, like, to a degree, but really, this whole year's been weird, so it was easy for me to get used to it really quickly. But all of the little details make me a little sad that we did not get to see what they had planned for this theme. Big time. So that is really cool. So there's the lanyard, which is really, really cool. On the back is where we would put our name. And then it just says Scentsy, which I can read that without my glasses, right? It just says Scentsy. It's cute. It's a cute touch. Cute touch. Okay. Oh my gosh. It just keeps going. Okay. So, well, this is the cutest notebook I've ever seen. Look at that. More changey things. Look how freaking cute. Oh my gosh. Ooh, lots of blank pages, but not all of them are like the same kind of blank. It's really cute. It's really cute. I can't like flip it well enough for you. It's kind of flippy. There you go. But this is probably the coolest notebook. So there's lots of pages that are just note pages, and then lots of really cool just like insert pages, and then blank pages. Very cool. Very cool. Well, this is a cute kit, Scentsy. Good job. Oh my gosh, I kind of want to tie-dye this. Would that be weird? Okay. Yay, ribbons. We got our ribbons. Yeah, she said we should get a redo of this theme, right? We should do a redo of the theme, and they keep asking where we want to go for SFR. I just want to go back to Salt Lake. I just want to have this entire one just done again. So I got my ribbons. I got the Lifetime PRV 100K, Trip Qualifier, Shining Star Finalist. This will always be my proudest ribbon in the world. Superstar Director. Or is this my proudest ribbon in the world? It's funny that we still get these. But there you go. Boot Camp Graduate. Cool. So Boot Camp, USA, Superstar Director, Shining Star Finalist, Trip Qualifier, and Lifetime PRV 100K. I feel like I've had this 100K one for way too long. So my goal is by next time I want like two of these or whatever. Okay, here's the shirt. I'm excited. Nikki says she wants to dye it too. I just think it'd be really fun. But also, I don't trust myself to dye things well. Nikki, you should come down to Indiana for SFR. I'm just saying. I got Boot Camp Graduate because you were signed up in April. I'm sorry about it being canceled. Okay, but this shirt's actually pretty cool for being a white shirt. Look at that. I can't see it over the comments. Can I swipe you? There we go. How cool. I like it. It's white though, and somehow every time I wear a white shirt, I eat something with mustard. It's just a secret talent, superpower that I have. But this could be really cool tie-dyed. It would actually be really cool if you like tie-dyed it with like just yellow, only yellow. It'd be really pretty. But maybe I want to tie-dye it with all the different colors. I want to tie-dye this now. Maybe we should do that. Kind of want to. Just because it's white and I'm going to wreck it. Wreck it. But this is a really pretty shirt. I'm really excited. And it's the good Bella Canvas stuff, so you know it's good. Cool. All right, friends. That was it. That was the whole thing. I think there was a lot of really fun stuff in there. I'm pretty darn excited about the confetti. What surprise? Was there supposed to be a surprise in here? I don't ever catch half the things that y'all talk about in groups. So I don't know if was there supposed to be a surprise? Did they put that on the news tab? Because I also am a skim reader. Because if they did, maybe it was the confetti. Or maybe it was the 3D glasses. Maybe it was one of those things. I don't know what the surprise was. The surprise was the fun I had opening it. Oh, a hidden place with a surprise. I don't think that's in this one. Because I don't see any hidden places. Mine didn't have that, like, insert. Like, you know how Orville and Heidi opened theirs and there was, like, an insert? Maybe it's the notebook. But mine didn't have, like, mine didn't have an insert. There's a quote under the insert? I don't have an insert. Do I have an insert? And I don't realize I do? Y'all are going to make me tear apart this box. Oh, hold on. I just think this is the bottom of the box, y'all. Oh, okay, so I took that off. I think it's this right here. The bottom. You can read that, right? Hi. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's just the hidden messages. But this one's like ultra hidden. It's on the bottom. And it says, what if I'm the one who can make a difference in the lives of others? With a lot of other quotes. So there's just a bunch of other quotes on the bottom. Oh. What if I'm the one that can make a difference in the life of others? It's the Heidi quote. So all of the Orville quotes are the same and all the Heidi quotes are the same, just in different languages. But that's just the English version of the Heidi quote. So I was almost right, y'all. Anyone who heard my attempt at a Spanish translation of the Heidi quote, it wasn't so bad. It was not so bad. Rip it, is what Nikki says. I shall not. But yeah, there was nothing under mine. It was just the quote. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed your spoiler for those of you who tuned in but knew better. And yeah, there you go. There's our SFR little at-home kits. That is not the product kit. I believe those are coming in August, which I'm pretty darn excited about because somebody accidentally leaked the packing slip. And I'm not mad at that at all. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited about all the cool things we get when we get that. So, and I got the really big one, so I can't wait to open that one on camera because it's gonna have like a bajillion products in it, which is gonna be the coolest thing in the world, right? Who else got the big one? Who else got the just like, who else like saw the 3 options and said, obviously I have to get the biggest one there was, right? Someone says, I want to see the packing slip. I don't think I saved it. I'll have to see if I can find it. But I did see it floating around. But somebody accidentally got a packing slip. I think more than one somebody accidentally got one. I did want to know. I want to know. I need to see the packing slip. I need to see the packing slip. Go big or go home. That's the one you chose too, right? You got the big one, Robbie. I like, who, if you're looking at the 3 options we had, who would go? I'm going to go with the middle one. But if you're already going to go all the way, I'm going all the way. Really excited to get my big kit. Jody, did you get the packing slip? So Dee Dee, you got the medium kit. I can't wait to see the difference in all the kits. Like, I'm wondering what has what. So it'd be really cool. But I think I saw, I am a skim reader, but Tiffany Kessens is not a skim reader. Cool. Okay. If I can find the packing slip. And some of you might have accidentally got the packing slip without realizing it. If you ordered your SFR kit with other products, but you've already received those other products, the packing slip probably had all the SFR products listed on it, is what I've heard. So, there you go. So they're out there. Good luck. I'm excited. It's going to be a lot of really cool stuff. But basically, it's like all a bunch of like holiday and harvest collection products, and they sound dreamy. So there you go. Have a good night, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. Have a good rest of your Tuesday. Is today Tuesday? Somehow I still know what day of the week it is. I'm proud of myself. But yeah, so there we go. Have a good day. Love you. Mean it. Bye.